Alright, let's do this AP Calc AB 2012 practice exam problem number 14. If f of x is equal to the square root of x squared minus 4 and g of x is equal to 3x minus 2, then we're trying to find the derivative of a composite function f of g of x at x equals 3. This is going to require, whenever we see this, we have to know that this requires chain rule. And I have a video on all the derivative rules so how you can decipher them and know which one to use. So the chain rule says this: f of g of x, if that's the function we have and we want to take the derivative of it, what this is going to equal is the derivative of the outside function with the inside function still the input times the derivative of the inside function. So let's go ahead and find f prime of x first. And then what I'm going to do is, after I find f prime of x, I'm going to substitute g of x in there instead of x. So it's going to be the derivative of the square root of x squared minus 4. This is going to equal 1/2 x squared minus 4 to the negative 1/2 times the chain rule of the inside function. That's going to give us 2x. We can go ahead and cancel out this 1/2 and this 2. Our final answer is going to be x over the square root of x squared minus 4. That is our derivative of f. So what I'm going to do is that, because I'm trying to find this at x equals 3, I'm going to take g of 3 right now. That's going to equal 3 times 3 minus 2. This is equal to 9 minus 2. This will equal 7. So what I'm essentially doing is, because I'm trying to find the composite derivative, I'm just going to take f prime of 7 right now. This is going to give us 7 over 49 minus 4. So our final answer right here is going to be 7 over the square root of 45. Now think about what I just did, knowing the chain rule formula. What I essentially did right now, this 7 over square root of 45, is essentially the f prime of g of 3. But for the chain rule to work, we still need to get g prime of 3 and multiply it by 7 over the square root of 45. And that's quite easy to do. We know that g of x is equal to 3x minus 2. And the derivative of g of x is g prime of x, or just 3. So what we're going to do is multiply this function by 3. Alright, and here's the last thing that we need to do to solve this problem. I factored out 45 so that it was 9 times 5. And because the square root of 9 is 3, I can change this into an equivalent form. 7 over 3 square root 5. Then we're multiplying by 3. This is the exact same form that we had earlier. And because we have a 3 in the numerator and denominator, we can cancel them out. So our final answer is going to give us 7 divided by the square root of 5. A.